If your Hello World script looks like a novel, you're probably coding in Java. But is it worth it? First up, the prose Java is a strongly typed language. That means it forces you to be precise, giving you a solid coding foundation. Plus, it's platform independent. Your code works on any device with a Java virtual machine. And hey, got a bug? The massive Java community has your back with endless resources and forums. Now, the Java's verbose syntax can feel like writing an essay just to print Hello World. And while it's generally efficient, it's not always the fastest compared to newer languages like Python. Oh, and that steep learning curve? It's real. But hey, no pain, no gain, right? So, is Java the best language for beginners? It depends on your learning style and goals. If you're ready to invest the time and effort, Java can be incredibly rewarding. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Team Java or another favorite starter language? Let's debate it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more coding tips and debates. Until next time, happy coding!